Okay, so here we are today. We are going to cook some simple comfort food. Okay, what are we going to cook? Well, first our base carbohydrates would comprise of noodles. Okay, these are different kinds of noodles, but just the same. Once mixed together, they are all the same. Okay, so what are our ingredients? We have salt. Okay. We have canned mushrooms, and this is the most important. Okay, Chorizo de Bilbao. This came all the way from, I think, Barcelona, Spain. Okay, I had this on stock. See, the expiration date is 2026. Normally 3 years. No, so I have this on stock. We have some steak here that will be slicing and mixed with the ingredients. Of course, you have our garlic and onions. Okay, so now we will open our chorizo Bilbao and put everything in this stainless bowl. Okay, so here we are. Okay, there. Okay, let us get all the the lard and the juices, because this is what is going to give it that tasty aroma and taste. Okay, there we have it. Our okay, this is our chorizo Bilbao. Okay, then we will open up our shiitake. Okay, our shiitake mushrooms. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we are going to pour out the juices of this. So there you have it. Now we will slice the steak. Okay, here. Now we will be slicing the steak. Okay, so we transfer this into a cup. So all the ingredients now are prepared. Let's get one chorizo. Okay, and we will be slicing it. Okay, okay, here. Okay, slice it. Yeah. Very simple. The procedure is quite simple. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, and then we have the mushrooms. Okay, and now let's prepare the skillet. So I have here a Japanese cast iron skillet in which I'll be cooking our high pressure stove. Okay, so flame is not too high, just right. We put our so-called cast iron Japanese kettle. Put the garlic and onions. We put some pepper. Okay. Now, once the onions become translucent and the garlic a little bit browning in its outer appearance, we can now put our main ingredients, which is the chorizo and the meat. Okay, okay, there, okay, there you have it. Once this is already once the pork and the chorizo become partially done, we will then be adding water. We'll just keep on stirring this, okay. So after this, we add our mushrooms, okay. We add our shiitake mushrooms, Chinese soy sauce. Just a small portion, okay. Water, okay. We add the water now. The noodles, there, okay. Yeah, now add the noodles. Let's wait for the noodles to break down. Yeah. Okay. We now cover the sukiyaki cast iron kettle. Okay. And we will simmer the noodles. So after simmering, we add some more noodles. Now these are the smaller noodles that you can see right now. Okay. More noodles there. Okay. The taste of the chorizo Bilbao is really has really accentuated the aroma and the flavor of this hot pot soup. Okay. Oh, it's good, very good. I will add a little more sugar. Okay, let's add a little more sugar. Okay, there we go. Now for the final taste again. Okay, let's do some taste test. Okay, here we have it. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so that's it. Viewers, we have now finished our concocted noodles with mushrooms, chorizo Bilbao, and steak, all sliced up with the noodles and seasoned to taste. Another comfort food. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.